Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to install Traceway on the Ubuntu server. My Ubuntu server will be 22.04 and we are also going to use Docker based installation for this purpose. It is open source APM built on Open Telemetry. What it provides complete observability, logs, traces, matrices, session, replay, and exceptions, and all connected. Basically, it is used by developers to monitor developments and crashes. These are the features it is going to provide: logs, traces, matrices, session replay, exceptions, tracing. So let's move towards the installation. I have accessed my Ubuntu server CLI and I have noted down all the installation instructions here. We are going to run one by one. Firstly, we are going to update our OS to check for any dependencies or the any package installation. Initially, update command has completed its work, but we have another 704 packages would can be upgraded, but right now we are going to move further. We are going to install these certificates and curl package for the future installation. Okay, our certificates and curl checks has been completed. After that we have to add this permissions. Now we are going to add the repository for the Docker, and then the ownership and permissions again. We have to add these repositories as well, and then we are going to run the update command again, and then we will install the Docker and its required packages, which you can say dependencies as well. The repositories has been updated in our OS. Now we are going to install the Docker CLI, container.io, buildx plugin, and compose plugin. It need 106 MB of space for the archives and 416 MB for the additional space will be used. As soon as our Docker packages will be installed, we have to create an user of Docker and the Docker group, and then we are going to copy, clone Traceway from the GitHub, and we will run the Docker compose up and the installation will gets completed. As you can see, our Docker and required packages have been installed. Now we are going to create a user in the OS with the name of Docker, and also we are going to create a group, and now we are going to copy the Traceway folder, or you can say the files from the GitHub. As you can see, Traceway repository has Traceway folder files have been copied from the GitHub. Now we are going to move to the folder of directory of Traceway, and here we are going to run the docker compose up command to copy, create and up the container for our Traceway. It will pull the images from the web, and then it will pull the required files, and then it will create and up the container which is required to complete our installation. As you can see, images have been pulled and now it is in the building stage, and it is copying the required packages, backend builders, extracting some files. It will take a bit time to get it done. As you can see now, our all the images have been pulled out, created, and they are in the healthy state, and then they just started. Now we are going to access our web browser and type this URL. You have to type the IP address of your server, your machine, and then type register and press enter. The web UI of the Traceway has been accessed, where you have to create your account and then use the Traceway. Now what you have to do here, you have to type the email address and the name and then password and the company name. I will say monitor and click on the create account button. Okay, now it is telling us that install the Traceway skill, run the prompt, and here the manual, and you can create projects from here. Okay, we have to type the project name, project 1. The project has been created, and this is the default dashboard for your Traceway. You can see the issues, logs, air monitored endpoints, task profile, AI traces, dashboard, monitors, alerts, on call, connection, all here. Hope you guys understood the installation instructions. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.